Lews Auto in Thornburg, Virginia. Today I have UU166. This is a 2004 Mini Cooper. It has a 1.6 engine in it, automatic trans with 108,869 on the mileage. Unfortunately, I'm not able to get it running. I do have the battery box hooked up to it so we can at least show you some components. I think it's something electrical on it. We're going to go ahead and test it a little bit more once we get in the bay. Do trans test, do an engine test, all that good stuff to make sure everything's good before we pull it out. There goes the damage right there on the right hand side front. It kicked in the suspension a little bit. So other than that, beautiful looking car going all the way down. It's got the white accents with the white top coming on down. I know that was such a long walk there. Now let's go ahead and hop on the inside here. I'll show you some of the components. Like I said, can't get it running, so we'll just at least do some components here. First off, there's your mileage, the 108,896. Of course, got some lights on because hey, it ain't running. So we'll go ahead and test out. Let's start with some windows. So here goes driver's side window going down, going up. We'll go ahead and do passenger side now. You hear it calling for it. Maybe again another wiring problem there. Make sure there's nothing. No, I don't see a lock or anything for the windows. But you hear it calling for it, but unfortunately it's not going up and down. So it's going to be a test before they pull this. That's what I always like to do when it comes down to windows that don't go up and down, it seems. Locks and unlocks. Let me shut this door. It does it. Honestly, it doesn't look like this lock and unlock switch is working either. So we'll go ahead and say that's probably no go. Go ahead and check out some door mirrors real quick for you. This will be your driver's side mirror. Go ahead and do the passenger side mirror. Looks like that works just fine. So if anybody wants to do the white accents on your mirrors, we do have those here. We'll check out the heater AC control now. So for some reason the defrosters are not working. Again, I think it might be something more electronical than anything else. Just because it's, everything else on this heater AC control seems to work just fine. Go ahead and turn up the radio so you got some music there.
And Babbel, a language app that teaches
like
real-life conversations in a new language like Spanish, French, or German.
It does have the sunroof here, so let's go ahead and see what happens. The defrost might be because you have to have the car running to go ahead and turn that thing on. It looks like sunroof goes all the way back. We'll go ahead and put it up. Go ahead and try to do it. There we go. Alright, so it looks like all that works. So again, this is UU166. We're going to go ahead and get in the bay, do a compression test, try to get a start test out of it once we get some of that stuff out of the way. Again, it's got 108,896 on the miles. If you guys have any questions, please call Lews Auto. Thank you, and God bless.